How's it going, team? How's everybody doing? No, that's terrible. How's it going, team? I hope you're having a sweet week. Wait a minute, that's not my line. That's your line. So I'm here with Jesse. I'm doing the intro for his channel because I'm super awesome, and I abducted him from the airport, and now he's hanging out with me.
How's it going, everyone? Hope you're having a kick-ass week. We're here with Bearded and Bored. Yeah, you almost got it, dude. Pretty awesome to finally be able to catch up with this guy.
Yeah.
So, I don't know if you guys know,
It is awesome to catch up with me.
we literally met each other, I think before we even had videos up, right?
Before we had channels up.
Yeah.
We met on Reddit, and, you know, epic friendships get started from less, so.
Yeah. So, pretty cool to be out here at his parents' farm in Austin. The place is absolutely beautiful. It's nice to get the hell out of the city for a little Kiwi boy. Mm-hmm. And today I get something special. We are going to taste Bearded's cream ale. Cream ale? Yes. And also his Applejack. Now, Bearded has videos for both of these products, right? I know you've gone for this. You've definitely gone for this too, eh?
Yeah.
Cool. I'll link both of those videos in the description down below, and we'll put cards up as we get to them for you guys to check out as well. Check out the videos, they're pretty cool. Check out his channel, you want to do that. But let's get stuck in. What do you want to do first, man?
Up to you, man.
Alright, let's do the beer.
Alright.
I've had a lot of whiskey in the last few days, so woo! Beer sounds kind of good. You do the honors, sir.
Alright. Little pouring music.
So do you remember what the mash bill was for
no.
this? No?
No.
Alright, it's a cream ale, guys.
It's a cream ale.
We'll put it down in the description if you're interested.
I did use some malted corn in this one, some homemade malted
corn.
corn.
Oh yeah, you can smell the corn.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers, man. So this guy malts his own corn as well, which is pretty freaking awesome. Yeah. It's buttery, but not diacetally.
Right.
Yeah. Creamy.
I'd have to say that I am not a fan of the hops that I used in this one. I think I used Tettnanger.
Okay.
And I would go with something different, like Cascade or Citra or something.
Go a bit more fruity?
Yeah. I mean, it's fine, but it's got a, I don't know, it's a little too earthy for me.
It's almost like a Czech Pilsner or something.
Yeah,
you wanted
that's not quite what I was going for, yeah.
You wanted more like New World American flavor?
Lawnmower beer.
Yeah.
You know? A little more refreshing. Well, I mean, it's still refreshing. It's, I don't know, just brighter.
Yeah. Yeah. It was very nice, guys. Very nice. Part of me has to wonder what would happen if you didn't put the hops in this and you put it through a still.
Well,
I know you can't do that, but I can.
Sadly, I can't do that. But yeah, I would be interested in watching that video.
Yeah. I've been given a long list of videos on this trip, guys.
Yeah. You know, for all of us folks that are in the States or in any of the other 900 countries where distilling for your personal consumption is illegal, we have to, you know, put all of our requests on you.
Yeah. That's what I can do.
You and Angry Parrot.
Shout out for Angry Parrot, guys. I haven't given him a shout out in a long time.
Lemminghörda.
Yeah. He makes some really cool stuff, and the guy can build a still, that's for sure.
That guy knows his way around a TIG welder, that's for sure.
Yeah, yeah. Well worth checking out. Alright, should we try the...
Yeah, before I get too schnockered, I may or may not have had a couple more drinks before we started this video.
We may have both had a couple of drinks before this video.
We better slow down and switch to the tasting mode. Alright, so I have a weird bottle here that requires a deft touch. Jesse found out the hard way.
I won't tell you the story, but it required washing of hands, that's for sure.
Yeah, but he did taste it off of his own skin, which was kind of a compliment.
So this is super interesting, guys. It is... You described it as molassesy earlier, and I can totally get that. It's almost Marmite-y, but it doesn't cross the border into to weird territory.
Yep.
Have you tried Marmite?
Mm-hmm.
You have?
Mm-hmm. I eat it on crackers.
There you go, America. You've got something to learn. If you haven't tried Marmite,
it's a
soy
yeast
sauce
stuff, right? It's
Yeah.
Vegemite, same stuff?
Yeah, pretty similar to Vegemite, yeah. Almost soy saucey, but not.
There was a weird Bach that Sam Adams did like a long time ago, and to me it had a very similar flavor.
Yeah, right. That umami, it's almost stock, like mystery stock sort of thing going on.
It's kind of weird.
If you get a bad soup or a bad gravy or a bad chili or something, and there's just the soul of it's missing, it's kind of like that, but not meaty at all. But it is creamy and thick.
Yeah, it's surprisingly thick. I mean, it looks like whiskey, but it kind of drinks like
a port.
Yeah.
And it's got legs, man.
A lot of legs. Very, very sweet. The one thing that about this recipe that I think I want to do another video, because I used like 3 cups of brown sugar, and to me that was just way too much molasses flavor.
Yeah, right.
It's better if you can dial it back, so I would go with like 2 cups of sugar, of white sugar, and then maybe a full cup of brown sugar.
Just to let the apple
Yeah.
come through a bit more.
Yeah, because when this was fresh, it was super appley, but the longer it sits, the more that molasses, that deep flavor, just kind of pushes through.
Yeah, right. How old is it now?
I don't know. When did I release that video?
It's been a while now, isn't it?
Yeah, about a year.
Yeah.
I think about a year old.
So there is definitely apple there, but to me it's almost more of a stewed apple
Yeah.
now. But it was more of a fresh apple before. So the other thing that's interesting with this, guys, is as distillers, we're used to taking any residual sugar out of the end product. It gets left behind in the boiler, right? Which isn't the case here, because the sugar doesn't freeze either, right?
No.
It's going to come through as well.
And you ferment this thing down dry, but then you're going to add whatever sweetener to it. Some people will actually add just a little bit of honey to their apple wine and then freeze it. I chose to use apple juice concentrate because it gives it a lot bigger punch of apple flavor right up front. But it's interesting to taste this after it's sat for so long, because it really kind of dialed itself down and the flavor shifted a lot. It's interesting though.
It tastes like an apple brandy.
I've had a lot of comments about, why don't you just run it through a still? Yeah, thanks.
If only you could.
Thanks, guys. I hadn't thought of that.
One more thing, guys. I'm not just trying to cuddle you. I want to show the Patreons over here. Thank you so much, guys, for helping me out. The only reason, you know it, I've already said it, the only reason that I'm in Austin at all, the only reason I'm in America and able to do this is because of you guys. What are you doing over there?
I'm being like Vanna White.
All jokes aside, though,
Fortune.
thank you, guys. I'm intrigued, guys. I want to know what you think about this. I would like to try something like this. Do you think I should try it exactly the same way? Or do you think maybe I could try and find a similar recipe and run it through the still and see what happens? Somewhere in between, I don't know. I'd like to hear comments on it. I love the idea. Ever since I saw the video,
You haven't made a fruit brandy yet, have you?
I haven't made any fruit brandy yet. I'm waiting for cheap
See, here's the thing.
fruit to come along.
If you made something that was like this, that was, hard cider, but it had a crap ton of the brown sugar or molasses in it, how would it come out if you ran it through the still? Would it come out like an apple brandy, or would it come out like a rum with apple in it?
Yeah, I don't know. Interesting.
I don't know either.
Yeah.
I think we're all waiting to find out.
I don't think brown sugar is going to give a huge rum flavor.
Yeah.
Personally, I don't see that. I think
blackstrap or something.
Yeah.
And then
but what do I
maybe
know?
some
I've literally made one rum in my life.
That's more rum than I've made.
Funny jokes, guys. Funny jokes.
Funny jokes.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, this is a quick video. I just wanted to taste this on camera. I wanted to make sure that you guys know who this fella is. We're making some other videos for his channel as well while we're here, which will probably be out a little bit later. But if you haven't checked his channel out, guys, make sure you do so. It's pretty freaking awesome. And I promise you, he's going to be making more videos soon.
Yes.
Right?
I've been in the process of building a house for the past 6 months, so been a little busy. But getting back to releasing lots of footage.
Back on the horse.
My dad is on the other side of the camera trying to flip us off. Now you know where I get it from.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, this has been fun. Thank you, dude, for letting me taste. If you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you really like the video and you want to know how to help the channel out, #1 is share this video with anyone else you think might like it, and make sure you check his channel out too, guys. Number 2 is check the merch out down below. There'll be a bar under the video if you're in America. If not, or it doesn't show up, the link is in the description down below. And number 3, if you're really finding value in my videos, go and check out my Patreon page and consider signing up there. Alright guys, keep on chasing the craft. See ya.